Hey guys, what's up? It's Cobra. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to set up a Raspberry Pi. Now, what you guys are gonna need for to set up a Raspberry Pi, you guys will obviously need a Raspberry Pi. I will be using a Raspberry Pi 4 8GB model. You guys will need a keyboard and a mouse, and then you guys need a micro SD card. Nothing lower than an 8 gig. I would recommend a 16 gigabytes up. And then you guys need a power supply that is 5 volts or over 5 volts, Type C for USB Type C for the Raspberry Pi 4, and micro USB for the Raspberry Pi 3. And you guys will need a HDMI cable. It is called a micro HDMI cable for the Raspberry Pi 4, and for the Raspberry Pi 3 it just takes a normal HDMI cable. And then you need an SD card or reader. You guys could either use the one that comes with your SD card, because there should be one that comes with your SD card, or buy one off of Amazon that goes to USB. Personally, I have both, but you guys can use whatever you want. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the computer right now and teach you guys how to set this up. Okay guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is download YTAdustCobra. Now this will be the actual app that you use to flash the Raspberry Pi image. So you guys want to scroll down and then click this button. If you guys are on a different version, or on Linux or Mac, I'm obviously on Windows, so if you guys are on Windows, just click on download for Windows. This is for 32-bit and 64-bit. So after that, after you click on download, just click on keep and let that start downloading. And go to SD card format, scroll down, and then click on either Mac or Windows. I'm on Windows, so I would click on Windows. And then you guys want to scroll down, click on accept, and this will start downloading. This is SD card format. And now you guys want to go over to the Raspberry Pi site. Once again, link is in the description down below. Scroll down and click on Raspberry Pi OS with desktop and recommended software if you guys want to. If you guys just want like a normal Linux terminal and no GUI or a GUI, graphical user interface, like where you can click stuff, then click on this. Personally, I use this if I just want to mess around with something really quick. But obviously for the tutorial, I'm going to be using this one. So I'm going to click on download, and I'll be right back once this all gets done downloading. Okay guys, so now that it's downloaded, you guys can close your browser and go to your downloads. I actually ended up falling asleep in between the downloads, so when I woke up, it was obviously done, and now my voice is deeper. So anyway, double click on the YTAdustCobra, because this is what's gonna flash the fucking image. So yeah, you need that. And I click on I agree, and there's YTAdustCobra. It might open it or not. Okay. Go to the SD card formatter, and you guys do want to have WinRAR installed. So go to the SD card formatter, right click on it, click on extract to SD card formatter. I knew it was going to open it. Open it, and then double click on the setup. Next, I accept the terms, next, and install. Click on yes, uncheck this, at least for right now. Click on finish, and then go back to your downloads. Now you guys can delete all of these, and now what you need is, okay, whatever. Now you guys need your ISO, which is in this RAR file. So click on it once, right click, and then click on extract here. And because it's about a 2 gig file, this could take maybe 20 minutes. No, okay, maybe 10. Alright, so I'll be right back once this gets done. Okay guys, so it just got done, and here is your ISO image. So now what you guys want to do is actually take your SD card and your SD card reader and plug them into your computer. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now, and they should pop up. There it is. Okay, so now open up SD card formatter. Don't do anything else to your SD card, just open up SD card formatter when you plug it in. Anyway, click on yes when you open up SD card formatter. Select your card. Do not pick the wrong drive. You will literally delete everything on it. So just be careful. Anyway, click on quick format and then add a label if you guys want to. Balena Etcher is going to add a label, so I wouldn't. Matter of fact, just delete the whole label and then just click on format and then click on yes. Okay, then click on OK and then exit, and now double click on Balena Etcher. Okay, now you guys want to click on flash from file, go to your downloads and double click on your ISO file, and then go to select target and click on your SD card. Be sure to make sure that this is your SD card, because this will format your entire SD card or whatever drive and add this operating system. So make sure that this is your SD card, and then click on select and then just click on flash. Click on yes. And now it's starting, so I'll be right back once this gets done. Okay guys, so it just got done. Now you guys actually want to take out your micro SD card and then plug it right back in, because for some reason Balena Etcher, when you flash an image to your SD card and you just take it out and leave it out, your SD card or your SD port does not work. So take it out, plug it back in, and yeah. So this is your Raspbian image. Now what you guys want to go ahead and do is take this out and take out your micro SD card and plug it into your Raspberry Pi. You want to have it where the logo is facing down. And now I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my Raspberry Pi and set up my capture card, so that way obviously I can record everything for you guys. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so now that your Raspberry Pi is on, just click on next, click on country, and then go to US or wherever you are, time zone. Obviously set it to the right time zone, and then use English language and use US keyboard if you guys are in the US. And then click on next, and then enter a password. And now check this box, so that way the black borders around your screen will go away. Click on next, click on your network, click on next, and then type in your password. Click on enter. Now you guys just want to click on next. Okay guys, so now that your system is up to date, click on OK, and then click on restart. And as you guys can see, it's booting back up. And here you go. This is pretty much it. This is Raspbian, which is the Raspberry Pi OS. So actually, the first thing you guys want to do once you get into Linux and pretty much any type of Linux, type in sudo apt-get update and then click enter. Just to make sure that there is no, just to make sure you get all the updates. This is the newest ISO for Raspbian, so there shouldn't be. And then click on or type sudo apt-get and then upgrade. Now this could take a while, and don't need to. Okay, cool. So now you guys can close, and this works just like a perfectly fine Linux. So, like for example, let's just install NeoFetch. And every like programmer or Linux user knows what NeoFetch is. It doesn't really do anything. It's just kind of cool to look at, honestly. And then type in NeoFetch, and bam! As you guys can see, we are on Raspbian because there's a fat Raspberry Pi logo right there. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you guys did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.